Question number 1. Select and underline the correct statement. First one. Area of the square of perimeter 64 centimeters is 16 square centimeter. If the perimeter is 64, 64 divided by 4. That is 16 centimeters. So one side is 16. Then the area can't be 16 square centimeters. So first one is wrong. Then second one, perimeter of the square of area 25 square centimeters is 10 centimeters. If the area is 25 square centimeters, then length of one side is equal to square root of 25. That is 5 centimeters. So the perimeter should be 5 multiplied by 4, 20 centimeters. Then third one, area of square of perimeter 8 centimeters. If the perimeter is 8 centimeters, then length of one side is 8 divided by 4, 2 centimeters. Then area is 4 square centimeters. That is correct. So third statement is the correct one. Number 2. What is the 11 square number? 11 square number can be found by 11 multiplied by 11. That is 121. Question number 3. Find the value of x. In the given diagram, we can find a pair of vertically opposite angles. 2x plus x. The total angle is equal to 105. So we can write the equation 3x equal to 105 degrees. Then x equals 105 degree divided by 3. Then the magnitude of x is 35. Question number 4. Find the value. We are given this plus 17.7 minus 6.3. We can convert this subtraction into a addition by taking the additive inverse of this second directed number. So plus 17.7 plus, then the additive inverse is plus 6.3. Addition of two positive directed numbers. The addition here 17.7 plus 6.3. When adding two directed numbers, we have to write them the place values each one below the other. 7 plus 3 is 10. Then keep the decimal point. 1 is remaining, that goes to the other side. Then the addition here is 14. Then 1 goes to the other side, 24. So the answer is plus 24. Question number 5. We are given this to simplify. 5a times 4a minus 3. Then minus 2a times 3a minus 7. Here 3a. So when simplifying this, first we have to remove the brackets. So each term inside the brackets should be multiplied by the term outside the bracket. 5a times 4a, then 5a times minus 3, then minus 2a times 3a and minus 2a times minus 7. That is the way we are doing the simplification here. We have to remove the brackets. 5a times 4a, that is 20a squared. Then 5a times minus 3, that is minus 15a. Minus 2a times plus 3a, that is minus 6a squared. When multiplying a negative term with a positive term, it becomes negative. When multiplying a negative term with a negative number, it becomes positive. So minus 2a times minus 7 is plus 14a. Now we have to simplify the like terms here. Minus 2a squared and minus 6a squared are like terms. 20a squared minus 6a squared. So the answer is 14a squared. The other two are also like terms. Minus 15a and plus 14a. The simplification is minus a. This is the last answer. We can take a out also here. Question number 6. Write as a product of two factors. We are given this 21 x squared y minus 35 xy minus 14 xy squared. What is the common factor here? When we take the numbers 21, 35 and 14, 7 is, they are multiples of 7. So we can say take 7 out. Then x is also common here. Then y is also a common factor. Then 7xy can be taken out. Then we have to divide each term by this common factor 7xy. Then here 3x comes inside the bracket here. Then minus 35 divided by 7 is 5. Then xy is taken here. Then minus 14 divided by 7 is 2. X is taken. Then 1y is remaining. Then these are the two factors of this expression. Question number 7. 19 tons 6 kilograms. We have to convert this into the given way. First we have to give this in kilograms. 19 tons equal to 19,000 kilograms. 1 ton is equal to 1000 kilograms. So 19 tons equal to 19,000 kilograms. Then 19,000 plus 6 is 19,006 kilograms. Next, we have to convert this into tons. When converting amount in kilograms into tons, we have to divide by 1000. When dividing this value by 1000, the decimal point goes 3 places to the left side. So the answer is 19.006 tons. Question number 8. Write as a power of a product. 125 p to the power 3. 125 can be written as 5 to the power 3. Then 5 to the power 3 multiplied by p to the power 3. We have to write this as a power of a product. So we can take this power out. Then 5p to the power 3. We can write this as this one. Question number 9. Put a tick in the following statements if the following statements are correct and a cross if incorrect. The first one is the order of rotational symmetry of a parallelogram is 0. Wrong. In a parallelogram, the order of rotational symmetry is equal to 2 as it coincides 2 times when rotating around its own axis. So the first one is wrong. Then the second one, there are 2 axes of bilateral symmetry in a rhombus. In a rhombus, there are 2 axes. Yes, that is correct. Question number 10. We are given this to simplify. 2 over 5 into 1 over 9 into 3 over 8. First, we have to convert these mixed numbers into improper fractions. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 over 5. Then next one. 9 times 1, 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 over 9 into 3 over 8. Now we can remove the common factors here. What are the common factors? 5 times 1, 5 times 2, then 3 times 1, 3 times 3, 3 times 1, 3 times 4. Then 4 times 1, 4 times 2, 2 times 1, 2 times 1. Here 1 is remaining in the numerators and the denominators are also that is 1. Then 1 over 1 is equal to 1. The last answer is 1. Question number 11, we are given this 147 into 38 is equal to 5586. Hence, find the value of the following expression. We are given this 1.47 multiplied by 3.8. How to take this? How many decimal places are there in these two numbers? Two places here, one place. So, we have to keep 3 decimal places in the answer. The answer is 5.586. Question number 12. We are given a set as the set x is equal to Sarasaviya. Then in part 1, write all the elements belong to x within curly brackets. We can write what are the letters here is A, R, V, I, V. These are the all letters. Then part 2, find NX. NX. How many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. NX is equal to 6. Question number 13. Find the surface area of the cuboid of length 15 centimeters, breadth 5 centimeters and height 10 centimeters. In a cuboid, there are three pairs of identical sides. The upper side is equal to the lower side. So there are three pairs like this. So we can find the surface area by multiplying like this 2 times. Then length into breadth. 15 multiplied by 5 plus then length into height 15 multiplied by 10 plus then the other one 5 multiplied by 10 breadth into height. Then we have to do the simplification. 15 times 5 is 75. Then here 150 plus 50. Then the last answer here is 550 square centimeters as this is an area. Question number 14. Write when the time in the -6 time zone is 4 hours 45 minutes on Sunday. Find the time in +1 time zone. We can represent this information in a small sketch like this. This is -6 time zone, then this is a 0 time zone and this is +1. Here the time is 4 hours, then 45 minutes. So this is Sunday. Then the difference between 0 time zone is 6 hours. 6 hours should be added to this time. Then here the difference is 1 hour. So the total is 7 hours. We have to add 7 hours to this time. 4 hours 45 minutes. 7 hours should be added to this time. Then the time in +1 time zone is 11 hours 45 minutes on the same day, Sunday. Question number 15. Find the value of x. In the given triangle, two angles are given as 49 and 61. The magnitude of other angle is also equal to x as they are vertically opposite angles. So we can write the equation x plus 41 degree plus 61 degree equal to 180 degrees as the interior angle sum of a triangle. So x plus, what is the addition here now? 0, then 110 degree is equal to 180. Then x is equal to 180 minus 110. Then the magnitude of x is 70 degrees. Question number 16. 80% of the students in grade 8 participated in the educational trip. If the number of students, those who didn't participate, is 13, find the total number of students in grade 8. The percentage of not participated students is 20%. Then we can write 20% of total is equal to 13. Then we can find the total number of students by 13 multiplied by the reciprocal of this fraction. This is 20 over 100. Then we can write 100 over 20. 20 times 1, 20 times 5. 13 multiplied by 5 is 65. Then the total number of students here is 65. Question number 17. We are given this to simplify. 5 over 16 divide by 2 1 over 8. First we have to convert these two mixed numbers into improper fractions. Here the improper fraction is 16 into 5 is 80. 80 plus 5 is 85. 85 over 16. First we'll write it as a division still. 2 times 8 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. As the next step, we can convert this division into a multiplication by taking the reciprocal of this second fraction. 85 divided by 16 into 8 over 17. 8 times 1, 8 times 2, then 17 and 5. 85 is a multiple of 17. 17 times 5 is 85. So we can write 17 times 1, 17 times 5. Then the answer is 5 over 2. If we write it as a mixed number, this is equal to 2, 1 over 2. Question number 18. We are given this to solve. 19 minus 5x is equal to 4. First we can remove this plus 19. For that we have to subtract 19 from both sides. 19 minus 5x minus 90 is equal to 4 minus 90. Plus 19 and minus 19 can be cancelled. Then minus 5x is remaining here. Equal to, here the answer is minus 15. We have to take the difference between the two numbers without taking the sign. 19 minus 4 is 15. Then take the sign with the largest magnitude, minus 50. Next we can divide by minus 5. Minus 5 and minus 5 can be removed here. Then x is remaining. Minus 15 divided by minus 5 is 3. When dividing two negative numbers, it becomes positive. Then question number 19. The price of 1 kilogram of sugar is M rupees, and the price of 1 kilogram of tea leaves is N rupees. 1000 rupees note is given to buy 500 gram of sugar and 200 gram of tea leaves. Write an algebraic expression for the balance in terms of M and N. The value of 500 gram of sugar and 200 gram of tea leaves. The price of those two items should be subtracted by 1000. Then we have to write first 1000 minus. Then the other two should be indicated in within a bracket. The price of 500 gram of sugar, as 1 kilogram is M rupees, 500 gram is equal to M over 2 plus the other one 200 gram of tea leaves. 1 kilogram 1 kilogram of tea leaves is N rupees. So quart of that N should be divided by 4. So this is the final answer. Question number 20. The interior angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 3 to 4 to 6 to 7. There are 4 interior angles in a quadrilateral. Find the magnitude of the largest angle. We know that the sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Then the largest magnitude goes to 7 here. So how many total parts are there in the ratio? 7 plus 3, 10. Then 4 plus 6 also 10, 20 parts. So we can write it as a fraction, 7 over 20. 0 and 0 can be removed. Then 2 times 1, 2 times 18. 18 degree multiplied by 7. 7 times 8 is 56. Then 5 is remaining. 7 times 1, 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. So the magnitude of the largest angle is 126 degrees.